O gece Shelby, downtown'dan eve dönüyordu ama kısa sürede bu dönüş yolculuğu hayatının en uzun gecesine dönüştü. Şerif yardımcısı olması hiçbir şeyi değiştirmeyecekti. Çünkü bu kez durdurulan kişi yasayı koruyan tarafta değil, ihlal eden taraftaydı.
Can I see your driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
I'm a Pinellas County deputy,
Okay.
and my driver's license.
Huh?
I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. Do you have your license, registration? No? You don't? Do you have your ID on you? Do you have any weapons on you?
No.
Okay.
Well, I'm a deputy, but
Well, that's why I'm asking. Do you have any weapons on you? Or
I live right there.
Okay.
I would normally, but
Do you have some kind of ID or anything on you?
my ID is not here. But I'm a Pinellas County deputy.
Okay. Do you have some kind of ID on you?
No. I was just driving that way. I dropped my friend off, and then I went this way because I live right there.
I get that, but I pulled you over because you were flying past everybody and you were cutting.
No, I was just driving.
Okay, when
the
I was
regular
pulling behind
way.
you, at this point you were going like 56 and a 40. You were flying.
No, I was not flying. I was just.
Do you have your
going-
registration with your name on it or anything?
Well, this car is not mine, so.
Okay. Do you have anything with your name on it? Alrighty. Go step out of the car for me a second. We're just going to talk over there, okay? Can you pull your front light? Okay, we're going to come over here. Just we're out of the road. Can we step over here? Can you walk over? Are you able to walk over here?
Yeah, in the fucking.
Well, no, I just want to get on the sidewalk so we're not on the...
bullshit.
Okay, alright. Talking to you, I am getting some signs of impairment. Okay, can I check your eyes real quick?
Really?
Alright, I want to give you every chance to say that you're fine. Okay. So can I check your eyes real quick?
This is what we're gonna do right now?
I don't have a choice.
You don't have a choice.
No.
And you pulled me over for going 10 miles over the speed limit?
You were going more than 10 over the speed limit. And
Really?
it's not just speed, it's also how you were driving.
No.
Look,
10 miles over the speed
Okay.
limit.
I'm not going to argue with you. I mean, unfortunately, we're past that point. You understand my position? All right. I want to give you every opportunity for you to show me that you're okay to drive. And I really hope that that's the results we get, okay? But at this point, I can't just look the other way.
That's where you're at right now?
Yeah. Can I check your eyes real quick?
This is how you're doing it?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I don't have a choice. It's
Yes,
the same
you
for
do.
anybody else.
No, yes you do.
I can't treat anybody any differently.
Yes you would.
No.
I wasn't in other people's lanes.
Okay. I'm not going to argue about that. There's dash cam video and all of that, okay? But we're past that point right now. The point is you were stopped. You're showing signs of impairment.
No, I'm not showing.
Okay. All right. I want to give you every opportunity to show
You know
that
what?
that's not the case.
I want to ask,
Uh-huh.
what signs of impairment was I showing?
You've got bloodshot, watery eyes. You have slow
Nope,
speech.
nope. I
Okay.
want to know,
Okay.
pulling over, what was the signs of impairment?
I'm not going to...
Because I do not have bloodshot watery eyes because I have contact lenses in my eyes.
Okay.
I have contact
Yeah,
lenses in.
I'm not trying to argue with you, okay? I'm hoping that you can show me that you're okay to drive, okay? But I have to go forward with this. I have to at least investigate
No,
it.
I just want to know.
I explained to you. You smell very strongly of alcohol. Your movements have been very slow and fumbling. You have a very dazed facial expression. All these are signs of impairment. Okay? Again, if you're good to drive, perfect. But I have to investigate that.
No, you have to go over it again.
Okay.
I am showing what exactly?
You have bloodshot, watery eyes. You have slurred speech. You have a
But I'm wearing contact lenses.
Okay.
Polis gözlerinin kızardığını söylediği anda lens takıyorum diyerek geçiştirmeye çalışması ve endişeli bakışları aslında her şeyi ele veriyordu.
Coming from your breath.
But I'm wearing. I have.
Okay. All right. As I said, I'm just conducting an investigation at this point. I want to give you every opportunity. You're saying that you're fine. I want to give you every opportunity to show me that.
There's no way in hell. No way in hell.
Okay. Can I check your eyes real quick? Just to make sure that you're okay?
You're gonna check it? No.
Are you? I want to give you some opportunity to participate in some field sobriety tests. Is that something you'd be willing to do?
And if I wasn't willing to do that?
Look, I want to give you every opportunity to show me that you're okay to drive.
So you're saying that if I'm not willing to do what you're telling me to, I'm apparently
I'm saying I'm getting signs of impairment.
where?
Okay.
Where?
I explained it to you already, okay?
No, say it again.
I've explained it to you multiple times.
You said that, but it's not impairment.
Okay. Well, if you are telling me you're not impaired, that great. I want to give you
Okay,
every opportunity.
show me that I'm impaired.
Okay. Can I check your eyes real quick?
And then what after that? If you're gonna check my eyes, what after that?
It depends what I see in your eyes.
Okay, so it depends on what you see in my eyes, but after that, it doesn't mean anything.
Well, it's just one step at a time. Right now, I just want to check your eyes. Is
No,
that okay?
I don't want to see in my eyes. I want to see after that.
Okay.
Her cümlesiyle biraz daha batıyordu. Polisin net tavrı, Shelby için kariyerinin sonuna geldiğinin habercisiydi. Testten kaçmak istiyordu ama onun için artık çok geçti.
After it's a building process. Okay. It's not a one test determines everything.
Test.
Can I check your eyes real quick? Okay. Are you wearing contacts right now? You said
I am wearing contact lenses and I cannot take them out.
That's fine. Do you have blindness in either eye?
I don't know.
I mean, can you see this light?
Yeah.
Okay. All I have you do is just stand with your feet together and arms down at your sides. So what I'm going to do is follow this red light with your eyes. Oh, careful.
That is.
Light with your eyes. Oh, careful.
That is.
Okay. What I'm going to have you do is follow it with your eyes and your eyes only. I don't want you to move your head at all, okay?
If your shoes are bothering you, you can take them off.
That's too fast.
Gotta keep following with your eyes.
It's too far away.
Just follow it as far as you can go.
It's too far away.
Your eyes are drifting. You're not focusing on the pen. I just need you to focus on the pen, okay?
Your light is in my face. Too far up. Too far up. I can't
You
see
gotta look
it.
all the way up as far as you gotta go. Your eyes should go on as far up as they can go.
Can't see any further than that.
Hang out here on your phone. Alright. Are you able to spell your first and last name for me?
Shelby. Conigli.
And what's your date of birth?
I'm a deputy.
Yeah, I know. What's your, like, do you work nights? Do you work days?
I work nights.
Gotcha.
Ben de şerif yardımcısıyım diyerek ayrıcalık bekleyen Shelby, polisin bu hiçbir şeyi değiştirmez cevabını duyduğunda Rosette'in bu kez onu koruyamayacağını anladı.
Alright, we're going to step over here. And you want to come down to this end. Now, it's totally up to you, but I would suggest taking your shoes off. You're probably going to be a lot more comfortable, but it's your decision. Need help? Careful. Alright. So you come up, step up to this line. You ready? Alright, what I'm going to do is put your left foot on the line. Other left. And then you can put your right foot front like this, standing heel to toe. Arms down at your sides. Yep. Just stay in that position. Don't move till I tell you to begin. Now, when I tell you to begin, you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps down the line, okay? It's going to look like this. 1, 2, 3, and so forth. End of the 9th step, you're going to keep your front foot planted. You're going to step off of your back foot. You're going to turn around by making a series of small steps. It's going to look like this. Then you're going to take 9 heel to toe steps back down the line. 1, 2, 3, and so forth. Several things I want you to keep in mind during this test. When you look down at your feet, keep your arms down at your sides, count your steps out loud. Once you've started this test, I don't want you to stop until you've finished. Do you have any questions?
So you want me to do 9 heel toe steps down the line,
Yep.
and then on the 9th, you want me to do small steps, counting out, and then 9 heel steps.
Yep. Turn around as I demonstrated. You keep your front foot planted. You're going to step off of your back foot. You're just going to turn around like this. You don't need to count your steps when you're turning around. You count your steps down, your 9 steps down, and your 9 steps back. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay. You may begin.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then I'm going to do small heel to toe steps. 1, 2, 3,
10, 4, 10, 6.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Alright. So for this next test, you can disregard the line. We're not going to use it. So what I'm going to have you do is you're going to stand with your feet together, arms down at your sides. Stay in that position. Don't move till I tell you to begin. Now when I tell you to begin, you're going to raise one foot, whichever foot you want, approximately 6 inches off the ground, keeping your legs straight. You're going to count out loud by thousands.
Yep.
It's going to look like this. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so forth until I tell you to stop. Several things I want you to keep in mind during this test. Keep your arms down at your sides, look down at your feet, count out loud, don't hop or sway for balance.
Got it.
Now, if you put your foot down, which I don't want you to do, but if you do, I want you to pick that same foot up and continue counting where you left off. So if you're at 1003 and you put your foot down, you pick it back up, 1004, 1005, and so forth.
Got it.
Do you have any questions?
You just want me to pick my foot up, count out loud,
Look down at your
and
feet,
then when you stop,
and I'll tell you when to stop.
stop.
Okay. You understand the instructions?
I understand.
All right. I'll let you know when you can begin.
Which leg do you want me to pick up?
Whichever foot you want. Whichever one you're more
Are you
comfortable
going to
with.
pick up
Huh?
right, left?
Whichever one you want.
I'll pick up my right.
Okay, that's fine. I'll let you know when you begin, okay?
Okay, whenever you want.
All right.
A soda can, right?
Yep. You may begin.
1001, 1002,
Look down at your feet.
1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1012,
Hands down by your sides.
1000. Huh?
Keep down your hands next to you.
Oh, now I forgot which
And now
one.
you may stop.
Oh,
That'll conclude our field sobriety test.
sorry. I miscounted when you said that.
Got a bug in my nose.
Huh?
A bug just flew
The
in my
bugs. You have to get in the... If you're in the grass, you're going to get the bugs.
All right. I want to ask you some questions about tonight. I have to read you your rights first, okay? Just because they're specific questions. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights as I read them to you?
Yes.
Having them in mind, do you want to talk to me now?
Sure.
Okay. So where are you coming from tonight?
I am coming from downtown St. Pete.
Okay. What time do you go downtown?
I went downtown at about 7 p.m.
Okay. Do you come from your place?
Yeah, I live at Bugs Are Eating Me.
Okay.
Can I put my shoes on now?
Yeah. So when you're downtown, where'd you go to downtown?
Multiple places.
Okay. Do you remember any?
A place where you can buy like light pieces for your apartment.
Okay.
You know.
Okay.
You know what I'm talking about?
Do you remember what it's called?
I don't remember. But you can buy a couple pieces.
Okay. Where else did you go? Do you remember a couple pieces of what? You're saying that...
Like pictures
Okay.
for apartment complexes.
Okay.
But it's like
lamps?
Yeah, lamps. Lamps. There were a lot of dogs there.
Remember where else you went?
No, we were just trying to piece furniture together.
What time is it right now without looking, if you had to guess?
12 o'clock.
How much do you have to drink while you were down there?
I didn't have any drink.
Okay. Here's the thing. We both know you've been drinking. Okay. By telling us complete lies, like, I know that you're not being honest. Okay? So, I know you had something.
Artık her şey ortadaydı. Polis, Shelby'nin alkollü olduğunu açıkça söylüyordu ama o hala inkar ederek son kozunu oynuyordu.
Do you remember where you had drinks? How much did you have? Okay, so why do you smell like alcohol?
I do not smell like alcohol. I smell like pigment.
That's not pigment. That's very strong alcohol. Okay. And, I mean, you're a deputy, you know about HGN, okay? That's caused by alcohol. So, how much did you have to drink? Nothing? You don't want to be honest with me?
Ne söylese fayda etmedi. Dakikalar süren konuşmanın sonunda Shelby kelepçeleniyor ve birazdan polis arabasına bindirilecek.
Go to the phone office.
Alright, you got nothing on you? No. No pockets in here? Nothing up in your bra? Just put your feet for me real quick.
Do you want
Huh?
to keep those rings on? Or
Do you want those in the car, or do you want...
Bir gecelik hata Shelby'nin kariyerine mal oldu. Yasal sınırın neredeyse 2 katı alkol almıştı. Şerif yardımcısı olması da, inkar etmesi de sonucu değiştirmedi. Sonunda görevinden ihraç edildi. Mahkeme ileri bir tarihe atıldı.